So I'm currently testing this apparatus, just the webcam with a stick stuck to a 3D printer build plate so it moves along with it, so I can try to capture one where the build plate isn't going to move and try to get the model in the same place. I'm just doing a test print in the Benchy just to see how well this method works. If it doesn't, I'm going to have to do a bit more of an elaborate method and add a switch to the thing so I can use some G code to move the head and use that to trigger a camera. But from the looks of it, this camera seems relatively steady. It's a low resolution camera. It's probably going to have terrible video quality, but I think it's hopefully going to turn out quite well.